Hello everyone, I'm Vishwas. Hope you're all doing good. Today I'm back with new video on latest job openings for this week. If you are new to my channel, let me tell you I'll be making new videos on latest job openings every Monday. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, I would request you to subscribe and click on bell icon for more video updates. So let's get started with today's video. Concentrix is hiring for email support technical. Job highlights: 0 to 4 years of experience required, 40 vacancies, location Bangalore, salary 2,75,000 to 3,25,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: freshers or experience, preferred 6 months of email and chat experience in technical support, fluency in written English, knowledge of PC hardware, Windows OS, wireless and networking troubleshooting. Typing speed minimum 25 words per minute is required. Interested candidates can directly apply to this position from the link which I have provided in the description. Byju's is hiring for product expert user experience. 0 to 2 years of experience required. Location Bangalore. Salary 4,50,000 to 6 lakh per annum. Required skill set: mission driven. You should be passionate about education and strong believer that good education along with good guidance can create an everlasting impact leading to learner success. Ownership, compliance, customer obsessed, good communication skills and interpersonal skills is required. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. IBM is hiring for practitioner order management role. 0 to 1 years of experience required. Location Chennai, Delhi and Gurgaon. Roles and responsibilities: as a practitioner, you will be responsible for transaction processing and data entry management for a large client. Required experience: excellent communication skills, strong computer proficiency, good navigational and typing skills. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring for digital associate role. 0 to 1 year of experience required, 25 vacancies, location Chennai, salary 2,50,000 per annum. Eligibility criteria: minimum qualification is graduation. Candidates waiting for final semester results are not eligible to apply for this role. Excellent written and spoken English is required. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Infosys is hiring for accounts receivable process. 1 to 2 years of experience required. Location Pune. Job description: cash application and allocation, collections connecting with customers through emails and phones, understanding on credit management, credit insurance and follow-up. Designation: assistant accountant. Interested candidates can directly revert with your updated resumes to the email ID from the link which I have provided in the description. Bajaj Finance Limited is hiring for manager, finance and accounts process. 0 to 2 years of experience required. Location Pune. Job description: preparation of non-performing assets, provisions and loans loss computations in accordance with RBI regulations. Preparation of external reporting information. Participation in functional projects. Required qualification and experience: MS Excel proficiency, analytical ability, high motivational skills and to be able to self-starter. Interested candidates can apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Sutherland is hiring for international voice process. 0 to 5 years of experience required. Location Chennai. Salary 2,25,000 to 3,50,000 per annum. Job description: responsible for answering inbound calls and chats from AT and T customers. Resolve their primary queries like billing, account management and orders related. Should be able to perform under pressure and cope up with the dynamics of the process. Should have aptitude for sales. Immediate joiners required. Desired candidate profile: any fresher graduate or experienced with minimum of 6 months tenure from an English speaking contact center. Interested candidates can apply from the link which I have provided in the description. HCL is hiring freshers for voice process. Chennai location, salary 1,75,000 to 2 lakh per annum. Job description: good command in verbal and written English, excellent communicational skills, solving customer queries. Eligibility criteria: Only freshers should apply for this role. Any graduation 2019 or 20 passouts. Amazon is hiring for Hindi Data Associate. 0 to 3 years of experience required. Location Hyderabad. Salary 2,25,000 to 3 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities. Work with text, speech and other types of data and attach tags to the contents at scale. Deliver high quality of labeled data and meet the specific key performance indicators. Report issues with tools and softwares to the development team whenever necessary. Basic qualifications. High school or equivalent diploma. Work experience. Maximum of 24 months of experience in any industry. Proficiency in computer skills and MS Office with good typing skills. Amazon is hiring for digital associate. 0 to 1 year of experience required. 25 vacancies. Location Chennai. Salary 2,50,000 per annum. Candidates should be based in Chennai only should apply for this position. Eligibility criteria. Minimum qualification is graduation. Candidates waiting for final semester results are not eligible to apply for this role. Excellent written and spoken communication skills is required. Interested candidates can apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Trigen Software Pvt Limited is hiring for technical support role. 0 to 2 years of experience required. Location Bangalore. Job description. Work as service desk analyst to process user requests and resolve booking issues. Interface with global user base and various SME teams for issue resolution. Key responsibilities and duties. Answer ACD calls. Respond to emails related to technical issues of user for audio conference bookings. Desired skills. Be a team player. Candidate must have excellent communication skills. Hinduja Global Solutions HGS is hiring for technical support executive role. 0 to 1 year of experience required. 50 vacancies. Location Bangalore. Salary 2,50,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities. Level 1 technical support for leading internet service provider for US client. Troubleshooting, incident management, risk management. Desired candidate profile. Should be graduate. Interested candidates can apply from the link which I have provided in the description or also directly can contact HR. Aegis is hiring for English Malayalam voice process. Job highlights. 0 to 5 years of experience required. 100 vacancies. Location Bangalore. Salary 1,75,000 to 2 lakh per annum. Eligibility criteria. Excellent communicational skills in English and Malayalam is required. Freshers or experienced both can apply for this role. 6 days working. Qualification PUC. Location Bangalore. Sykes is hiring for international premium process. 0 to 5 years of experience required. 100 vacancies. Location Hyderabad. Salary 2,50,000 to 3,50,000 per annum. Job description. Any graduate or undergraduate or dropouts having excellent communicational skills are eligible. Should be good at customer handling skills. Should have great interpersonal skills. Freshers or experienced both can apply for this role. Designation Customer Service Executive or Customer Service Representative. Working days 5 days. Cytel India Pvt Limited is hiring for IT Support Engineer role. 1 to 5 years of experience required. Location Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Gurgaon. Salary 4 lakh per annum. Job description. IT support team maintains the computer networks of all programs and support functions in the company, providing technical support and ensuring whole company runs smoothly. Education qualifications. Bachelor's degree or any equivalent experience. Additional and plus points are hardware and software certifications. CCNA or diploma in hardware and networking. Interested candidates can apply from the link which I have provided in the description. That's all for today. If you have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thank you for watching.